Finding the right replacement parts for your refrigerator can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. However, the MTZUL upgraded W11162443 refrigerator crisper drawer is a real lifesaver. This MTZUL Whirlpool Crisper Drawer offers a perfect fit for many Whirlpool and Maytag models. Consequently, it brings your fridge back to life. Indeed, this drawer helps keep your fruits and vegetables fresh longer. Therefore, your groceries will stay crisp, almost like a garden. You can stop worrying about limp lettuce. Also, say goodbye to soggy spinach. This crisper drawer is an essential component. Thus, it truly elevates your food storage. Furthermore, this MTZUL Whirlpool Crisper Drawer is designed for easy installation. You don't need to be a repair expert. Instead, the process is quite simple. First, remove your old, broken drawer. Then, simply slide in this new MTZUL Whirlpool Crisper Drawer. The design ensures it fits seamlessly. Moreover, it is specifically compatible with models like WRS315 SDHC, WRS321 SDHC, and WRS325 SDHC. Therefore, always check your refrigerator's model number. This ensures a perfect match. Ultimately, it saves you time and effort. Hence, it's a wise investment for your kitchen. Finally, consider this crisper drawer a breath of fresh air for your appliance. It's more than just a piece of plastic. Rather, it's a tool for better food preservation. This upgraded drawer helps maintain ideal humidity levels. Thus, your produce stays vibrant. Think of it as a small greenhouse within your fridge. Moreover, its durable construction promises longevity. Therefore, you won't need another replacement anytime soon. So, if your current crisper drawer is cracked or missing, this is the solution. It's a small change, yet it makes a big difference. Pros: fits the fridge, might last longer, perfect fit, nice shipping packaging, nice free gift. Really nice quality, fits great, came well packaged, no damage, more solid than original. Workable replacement, functions well. Features: upgraded W11162443 crisper drawer, compatible with Whirlpool, replaces W11046494 crisper, fits. Maytag refrigerators, for WRS315 SDHC models, works with WRS321 SDHC, suits WRS325 SDHC fridges. Compatible with WRS315 SDHM, fits MSS25N4MKZ refrigerators, is an upper crisper drawer. This is an upgraded crisper drawer. Model W11162443. Designed to fit various Whirlpool and Maytag refrigerators. It replaces the W11046494 crisper drawer and is compatible with models like WRS315 SDHC, WRS321 SDHC, WRS325 SDHC, WRS315 SDHM, and MSS25N4MKZ. This drawer is specifically the upper crisper drawer in these refrigerators. This is a new crisper drawer for Whirlpool and Maytag refrigerators. Like models WRS315 SDHC and MSS25N4MKZ. People who bought it said it fit perfectly and was even stronger than the original drawer. It came well packaged, wasn't damaged, and they even got a free gift. Overall, it's a good replacement that works well and seems like it will last a long time.